Let's head over to Guinea, back into the business of commodities. Military rulers in the country have moved to reassure investors in the mining industry that production will be allowed to continue. These assurances are coming about a fortnight after the military seized power and deposed the then head of state, Alpha Conde. Now, there have been concerns over possible disruptions to mining operations and the supply chains, and that combined pushed aluminium prices to a 13-year high. But the junta in charge says that ports in the world's second largest producer of bauxite, that's basically the ore that's used to produce aluminium, will remain open for exports, and a curfew in mining areas has been lifted to ensure the production continues. For the details, here's CGTN's Najma Abdirizak.
The meeting between the head of the junta and representatives of the mining industry lasted about 2 hours. During the talks, Colonel Mamadi Doumbouya called on representatives of mining companies to build factories in Guinea and process bauxite locally instead of exporting it. The junta leader also reassured mining investors of their safety as well as the safety of mining sites.
We are reassured by Colonel Doumbouya's speech on the mining issue. We made known our wish to the Colonel, which mainly concerns our investment and the respect of the convention that we signed with the former regime of President Alpha Conde. I would like to say once again that the speech of the President of the CNRD, Colonel Doumbouya, is reassuring and will continue to invest in Guinea.
We discussed the difficulties we face on the mining sites, the challenges and opportunities in the mining sector that the Guinean people expect following discussions with the CNRD. The CNRD officials have reassured us a lot, and we are proud of this. It must be said that this coup d'etat is the first in Guinea, after which we have continued our activities. We are living reassured by the new Guinean authorities.
The president of the Guinean group of businessmen who also attended the meeting reassured on the continuation of operations by foreign investors.
As a Guinean businessman, I can only protect investors, whether they come from China, Turkey, the United States or France. All the economic operators who have invested legally in the country, our role and duty is to encourage them, to protect them, to work with them and to create a good business environment. I promise to be the mediator between these businessmen and the Guinean state.
Guinea is the world's second largest exporter of bauxite with 2/3 of the world's bauxite resources. The country's mineral endowment have so far been poorly exploited. Will foreign mining companies be able to process the bauxite locally, or will they end up convincing the head of the junta to export it raw? The coming days will tell. Najma Abdirizak, CGTN.